Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the maximum love and the support. So, my beautiful people, today I have another quick one to share with you. One that's the normally session never and see. There is something you need to know about Progress the Analyst. Here, we analyze everything and we bring everything to your notice. Now. So, my beautiful family, now here we dey when the finance minister come and talk say the conversion that was held in Finland, he was the one that paid for the hall and do a lot of things. Me and you hear that matter then. Why a lot of people started to question a lot of things that, okay, what about all the money when people they contribute? Me and you, we talk am. Yes, we talk am. Now, the deputy prime minister is here to tell us what really happened to the money. He get statement when he make, when he shockalize me. I say no, I will not be the one that will hear it alone. I want you to also listen to her. She said they paid 15 million. In fact, Progress the Analyst, you are talking too much now. Just listen and get the information direct from the horse's mouth, and I'll be right back.
First is this. During the Finland Convention, the plan for Obatobie was to launch our Biafran police. We are a country. We owe no apology to anybody about that. I was personally the person that sent the money for the uniform of our police, the kitting of our police, over almost 15 million naira. I sent it. Ogen Kere, the ex-finance minister, told me to send that money. I sent it to the account he sent to me. But during our Finland convention, there was nothing like our police. There was nothing like uniform. There was nothing like boots. There was nothing like caps. But the money was sent by Biafra. He owes us this money. So those of the criminals that Ogenkere and Sonia Palawa and Vam 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 is confusing. The first question, ask him, where is the 15 million naira that I sent to him, which he told me, Obatobie told him, they need to use it to equip our police to be launched in Finland. All of you watched the Finland Convention. None of our police unit was launched. Where is that money? Where is the uniform? Where is the boots? If they hijack the money and they come out tomorrow or next tomorrow to say, oh, these are their own, these are their police, these are, just know this is our money. This is Obatobie's money that Obatobie has approved, which I sent to Ogenkere. But we never saw any police. We never saw the launching of United States of Biafra police during the Finland Convention. This is the first time I'm saying this out. There's so much that I don't even want to say out, but I want Biafrans to know the right record, because information is power. Information is the only thing that will make us better as a country. And to answer your question again,
Yes, sir.
like I said, it's based on the security information we got when we arrived Finland. Again, some people didn't know. I arrived Finland way ahead before that convention started. And when I was in Finland, I was able to get to so many places, do a lot of underground investigation before even that week that Biafrans started arriving. So it was based on those security information we got, and based on some Briggy cabinet members that wanted to disrupt the restoration, the independence of Biafra, and also based on some of the plans and the plots that we got from Nigeria. And again, it is so easy for people to tell you, oh, for you to get independence of Biafra, you don't have to talk to Nigeria, you don't have to, but you need to get information from under the Nigeria government or for us to be successful. And that is one of the reasons why Biafra has been successful, because get intelligence. from the Nigeria government or from your enemies. It may be difficult for you to succeed. So those stupid idiots telling you, you don't have to talk to Nigeria person for you to get Biafra. They are mediocres. How many have first you go to a school, level gara. And that's why in Biafra restoration, we are very, very particular about your educational background. Again, and when ending with a sense. And when ending with a sense, they don't have to go to school. Mana, when you have onye gara school certificate, ọpụta na-agwa onye gara PhD holder how to go. Nke nwa na onwe ga-amago that na onye ebe ndị agha ji azụ eje. Icheki ụmụ achịkọta ekwe ọnụ, some of them all school cert holders, some of them may finish primary school. Mana ọ dị na-abịa COS ka a ga-esi wee mee iwu, ka a ga-esi wee ga. Some of them, they do not even donate to this restoration. I promise you that. Some of them, everything like in the ex-media, everything at this restoration, Prime Minister and have free. Had a Google hotel, had a Google flight, had a Google event in Finland. These are the people that I made social media. And some idiots want to listen to them. They want to listen to them. People that don't contribute nothing to this struggle. Look at the Hagro 6 months, I never $50. Hagro 6 months, I never $100. Hajena social media, they make noise, and people are listening to them. So the point I'm trying to make is this. That level I had some of them by a long time ago. Yeah, our level on ndị ocho surround our leader Nnamdi Kanu, and eventually they have been relegated to the trash can. Is the level that some of them are. Before you pick your fight, and when then I say pick your battles, make sure you pick your battles. Do not pick your with somebody carrying. Do not do that. Calculate and pick your battles. Obo battle niile ka ị ga-fight. Obo battle niile ka m ga-fight. Obo battle so ọ ga-abụ nnesi anya. If that now, you are just the person na-enye onye ahụ oxygen to survive. Once you remove yourself from that oxygen is extinguished. The person, they will just die a natural death. So what you see that happened in Finland was done based on not just intelligence, also based on security, and also based on the report that we got of some disgruntled elements. That's why they keep looking for Dogo. Yeah, and I say, oh, they can never get up Batobie. Some of them even said that no way him at all Batobie, that he purposely planned to be away. So these are the mindset of these individuals. Thank God. Because the way they invade, the way they disinform, the way they disturb Obatobie, the way they hound him, the way they go behind and invade and mob Obatobie. Obatobie was looking for an opportunity to do away with all of them. And that opportunity happened in Finland. So what we did in Finland was the right thing. Like I told people, we cannot come to Finland for a 5 days convention and we are singing, dancing, maybe doing cultural, making but at the end of the day, we did not get our declaration of the United States of Biafra, which was the major reason why all of us took out time from our different locations to be in Finland. So based on the report we got, based on the security report, both from the one Tinubu and his co was doing, based from the one that Nnamdi Kanu's wife was doing, based on the report that some Brigade cabinet members were doing, based on the reports that some DOS members were planning, based on all that report, I believe, and the cabinet members decided that now our declaration must be done on day 1. And once it was done, we were free. Anything we did on 2nd December, it is okay. And like I said, we can have declaration for 1 week, 2 weeks, and 3 weeks. But what we did was something that Nigeria government never wanted to happen. And that was exactly why we were successful in Finland.
I got your eyes. I get it.
Thank you so
That
much.
was easy.
Thank
And
you
that
very
is
much.
why
Thank you.
that is why after the declaration, you see some of these criminals saying that now, oh, COA just declare because she can declare. If you want to declare, go ahead and declare. Because they were never truthful. They never respected Odogu. They never wanted this restoration to come. But and we are now, I would have no
Big time.
I would have had a mediocre. And we had each owner or as they are planning. Even some of us, our target, mediocre. Our target is the Nigerian government. So when they come with all these little shenanigans, they matter that now, thank you so much.
So, my beautiful family, that brings us to the end of this update. I still want to remind you one or two things concerning what you listened to. She also said the reason why you need to have some Nigeria contacts so that the thing go the sweet they go. I don't know if I'm the only one that hear because our people, any little thing, hey, you are working with the federal government of Nigeria. You are working with the federal government of Nigeria. Hey, you are agent. Hey, you are sabo. Una don hear am now. Una don hear am. The reason why you should have some contact. Abeg go, not me talk am. So my beautiful family, I say let me bring this update here. When I see here wetin e talk say we should ask the finance minister about that 15 million. 15 million no, and we know that he will also explain his own part because of a truth we need to also hear from him. So please make sure you share this video, let it go viral, share it so that we get to the finance minister, let him still come and tell us his own part of the story about this 15 million. So my beautiful family, I still remain your one and only Progress the analyst, as I always bring out the update to you back to back. Please share this video and subscribe if you haven't. Thank you and bye for now.